In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace an ignition coil for a Honda Accord 2.4 liter. To access the ignition coils, we're going to take these 4 nuts off, and it's a 10mm socket, and then we can remove the cover. So each coil is held down with a bolt. Some have extensions on them and some do not. They're all the same process. I'm going to take this one off to show you. 10mm socket. Just take that bolt, move it aside. Then I like to grab the coil like that. Then I can easily pinch this tab and pull on it. Take that coil right out. Confirm they're the same length. I'm going to put that coil right down to a certain point. Then I can put my ignition connector back on, make sure it locks. Drop it down in. Take my bolt. There you go. Hand start it. And just snug it down. So the ignition coil mounting bolt is 8.7 foot-pounds. So now we're going to install that protective cover. And these go on the back. Hand start them, of course. And then the 2 cap nuts in the front. And I'm just going to snug them up, and then I'll torque them to the spec. So the factory spec is 7.2 foot-pounds. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.